When it comes to email marketing automation for e-commerce, two platforms stand out: Shopify Email and Klaviyo. Both are popular choices, but which one is best for your store? Let's break down the features of each to help you decide. First, let's talk about Shopify Email. If you're already using Shopify as your e-commerce platform, Shopify Email is an easy and seamless option. It's built right into your Shopify dashboard, so you don't have to jump between platforms. The integration is smooth, and you can quickly send email campaigns directly from your store. Shopify Email comes with a simple drag-and-drop editor, making it beginner-friendly. You can create newsletters, promotional emails, and automated emails like welcome series or abandoned cart reminders without needing any design experience. It's perfect for merchants who want something quick, straightforward, and easy to use. One of the biggest advantages of Shopify Email is the pricing. If you're on the basic Shopify plan, you get up to 2,500 emails for free each month. Beyond that, it's very affordable compared to some other email marketing tools. That brings us to Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerhouse when it comes to email automation, especially for e-commerce businesses looking to scale. It's not just an email tool, it's a full-on marketing automation platform. Klaviyo gives you the ability to create complex flows, segment your audience with precision, and track the performance of every campaign in great detail. With Klaviyo, you can design emails with much more customization. There are advanced templates, a robust drag-and-drop editor, and deeper options for personalization. You can set up email flows for nearly any scenario: welcome emails, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, and much more. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other platforms, which makes it easy to track customer behavior and send highly targeted, personalized messages. In the end, both platforms have their strengths. Shopify Email is fantastic for getting started, while Klaviyo is best for businesses looking to maximize their marketing efforts with powerful automation. The choice depends on your store's needs and how advanced you want your email marketing to be.